Yeah, no, I was just watching you guys. I think you got it. Woo! All the bikes and quads are out now. I didn't realize he had that. Let's go. Let's go. You got it on that scooter, bro. God damn. Yeah. It's 76 volts though. So it's like you know the Surons? It's faster than that. That's why I built it, bro. It's smaller. It's like the size of a 50. Yeah, the mini shit is too fun. Plus, it's so easy to wheelie. What's up? Yeah, it's 76 volts. Yeah, it's like a Suron except bigger.
How long does it last?
Like 30 miles. Depends how you ride though. Like I kind of rip it, so maybe 25.
30 miles is long though.
Yo, it's half the size but double the power of like a 110, like a CRF 110. So it rips. Huh?
Donuts?
Donuts? Nah, just circles. Yeah. Yeah, I got circles. I was doing them over there. You get the shot? Woo.
What? Oh, look.
Yeah, I got a YouTube. Connor G. C-O-N-N-O-R G. That's me. Yeah, appreciate it, bro. All right, we're with the pack now, but I have like no battery. Oh well. Big ass random group. Your bike's a little small. Well, this certainly wasn't a part of my plan. Not at all. Oh. Most of these people are not wheeling. Fucking Philly, man. Right? I'm out. All right. Running low on battery, but everyone wants it. I'm gonna pull over here. I'm gonna pull over, yeah. Dude, they fucking loved this thing. Dude, every single person was taking videos of it. Oh. Alright, I better get home before I run out of battery. Later. Alright guys, now the actual end of this video. That just was a totally random occurrence, but the pack is there. We rode with them. Dude, every single person in that pack was filming me. Probably gonna see myself somewhere on social media for Philly Bike Life, but dude, everyone fucking loved it. It's great. This is a Grom. Well guys, again, I'll do a second outro. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's probably going to be kind of long, might be, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So much more to come, so stay tuned. Catch you next time though. Peace.